start. So we will start with the congratulations. So मेरी आवाज इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, नहीं तो I would have sung that song for you. Congratulations. And as I was saying
Thank
that
you.
when you got the best supporting actor for Pinjar, I was there.
No, that
अभी
was
तो all
best actor. That was best actor.
best actor, yeah, for Pinjar, and
Yeah, best
best
supporting
supporting
for
actor for
Satya.
Satya. Sorry,
For
I
and
Satya,
the
Satya,
love
Victoria
yeah.
Award for
Pinter.
best
My
actor.
God, I love
I
that.
mean, Manoj sir and my journey is back to back, and it was really so. वो standard question, कैसा लग रहा है? That can't change. That can't change over the years. That cannot change. कैसा लग रहा है?
You know, let me start with complaining that so many times that it has happened in the past that so many performances that everyone has bet on that I'll be getting. Even I was quite hopeful. I didn't get it. So this time I was sleeping completely unaware of the announcement and the national award because I have given up on getting any more national awards. So I was sleeping because I was very weak because of the coronavirus side effects on all of that. I got up and I saw 70, around more than 70 messages. I thought that the must be a terrorist attack happened.
Oh.
And I saw those messages. Yeah. So yes, very happy that finally, after I missed so many chances of winning, finally I got it. In such a long gap from Pinjar till now. It's amazing. I one thing I always look forward to, Arjun. I think I know that you will also get it, inshallah. But one thing I always look forward to is the is wearing those nice suits
One galas, the Swaran Kamal,
and,
one gala and showing of the
and
Swaran Kamal.
Bangalas,
and
bangalas.
going to, and you meet so many great talents from all across the country. That's the beauty of national awards. More than anything else, more than what you get is the regional cinema getting so much of importance in one function. Is so heartening to see. Them getting their due.
True.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
And I can say that the path that you have tread on, Manoj sir, Arjun is also following that because quality over quantity. I will not compromise on my beliefs. I can say that, Arjun.
Absolutely. I'm trying very hard to follow in his footsteps.
Thank you.
And now, but Manoj sir, कोई speech देना चाहते हो before we start discussing silence? वो होती है ना अगर यहाँ पे
Pooja, you decided to put me in the spot, right? No speech. Just I must tell you, for everyone's knowledge here, that making Bhosle was not an easy thing. It was not a cakewalk. Though many people don't believe me, thinking that after so many years I have a credibility in the market and people must have just kind of got up and financed the film. No, it took us 4 years to organize the fund, and that too when we went on the set, Aban, we had
Yeah.
only 10 days shoot money, that's all, and we went with it.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
What do you
So
say?
in between the shots, I was organizing money and going and giving the shot. So, uh, so it was quite a struggle. It was quite a struggle to make this film. And on top of that, you are acting in one of the most difficult roles. So so it was, and then you make the film. Then you are going to each and every possible distributors and the studios. Nobody is taking the film. Everyone is just putting their hands up. Nobody is there to touch the film from a bar, pole bar's length. And with all the credibility that I have earned in all of these years, it was of no use, nothing.
Are you
And
serious?
then you get so many awards, such standing ovations in all the international film festival. I get my second Asia Pacific, the biggest award for any actor. Somewhere I'll get the studio after this award, but they didn't care. For them it doesn't matter, even if you got Asia
Wow.
Pacific. So finally Sony Live in the lockdown time, Sony Live has shown a lot of interest because they were coming up as a platform. And when it was started this streaming, I had a chat with Saugata Mukherjee of Sony Live, and he said that we took the film thinking that it's just an art film, but the kind of subscription it is getting us and
Wow.
the kind of love that it is getting from the audience is remarkable. So,
Wow.
and
It's
with
awesome.
award, Arjun, the more than me getting national award, what I am so happy about that all the people, uh, the director and all of us have put in so much and took so much of rejection.
Oh,
Finally, you say that it has come to an end.
So,
Paid
amazing.
off. It's actually paid
More
off.
Amazing.
than anything.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I,
absolutely.
I actually happen to know Devashish Makhija, the director. We worked as assistant directors together, and I know he's had a difficult time with all his films, and but he's such a passionate human, and
Right.
yeah,
Right.
I'm so happy for him, really, as well.
Arjun, I'm sure it
Right.
resonates
Right.
with you also before I go to Aban. Well, you also said that you were being bracketed as a social cause actor, but you proved with your work you can't bracket actors. You just need to give them that platform to show what they're capable of and give them those kind of films. Now, do you think that is changing with success stories? And Manoj sir, relentlessly 25 years, he says, I don't give gyan to people because they'll only see frustration and struggle and strife in my journey. So, Arjun.
Yeah, I have to agree. But today I must say that I feel really fortunate to be in this position because I think like all our whatever this struggle has been, whatever this difficult journey has been, I think it is somehow kind of primed us for this period that we're currently in, where people want to see more authentic stories, and there is a space for all kinds of work, and yeah, and there's just so much talent in the city, of Bombay, that is just remained untapped until now. And it's just like, yeah, I feel very good about where things are at the moment, to be honest.
Aban,
Yeah.
you actually
Let's talk
managed to
about
set
silence now. Silence. Silence.
silence, yes. No, and also silence, Aban, you managed to get two very, very good actors together. So how did silence come about? Because I like Manoj sir's dialogues as Avinash Verma, so giving justice to a beguna and a guna. So how did this story come about? Was it something that you'd observed around you? Was it in the headlines? Because it seems very, we see this on the, every day we read about some story like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. But then see, that is how it is, because when you have when you have a murder, and especially that a high profile murder, there is bound to be a lot of hoopla which just happens around it, and the pressure which comes on the police department to solve that case is tremendous, because they are battling not just personal issues, but they're also battling departmental politics. And this is actually fiction, but there is in every fiction that you write, there is something which is true, because you, as you grow, you read stories, you read the news, and there is something or the other which stays in your brain, which then comes across as a story. So although this may not be a true story, it is it is part of our lives. So, so that is how the story. It's pure fiction, actually. Nobody whom I know has been murdered like that.
And why does Arjun seem to be the best kept secret in the trailer?
Because he is. Because he is. He is the one character which has the maximum shades. So he is the good guy, but the not so good guy. But he might be the good guy, but we don't know.
He
So
might
Arjun,
be the
was that
bad
the
guy.
He might
yeah?
be the
So
bad
Arjun, was
guy.
that the reason, the complexities of this character that you came on board? Was it something that you've not done before?
Yeah, absolutely. It's just the shades the character had were very interesting. And from the first time, I mean, I was also like just listening to the narration as an audience. And from the second this character stepped onto the screen, I was like, I can't put my finger on him. And throughout, he's immediately, the prime suspect. And you just don't know. You just don't know. And that's I think he is
Beta,
the kind of mysterious element
madam,
to the film, which was very interesting for me. Other than, of course, not having ever explored this genre myself as an actor before, the character was great. And then, of course, the opportunity to work with Manoj sir and to be directed by Aban. I absolutely love working with women directors. So yeah, all of it, it was an immediate yes from me.
And also, a lot of Manoj sir, your co-stars say that you actually kind to confuse them on the set because you come up with some other line and they're like, "Ab kaise kare respond?" They've actually, did that happen to you? Prachi also said that. They say like it's a
It
tutorial. It's like a sudden sum that you had not thought is there.
Yeah,
How do I respond?
see, that is actually where the magic happens, where something is just not written. It's just what you create between the lines, and I think he's really good at that, and I noticed it myself a few times. Once or twice he even prepared other actors for it, like if the reaction or response was needed from one particular actor, like he would tell everyone else ke acha main isme kuch karne wala hu, just go with it, and so
They're
that
like,
so that other people were prepared,
Not taken
except
aback.
except the actor who had to react, to uska genuine aa jata, it was pretty amazing. Yeah.
But this Manoj is actually a very generous actor.
yeah, I've heard that.
Very generous actor.
I've heard that.
He will ensure that his co-actors get as much importance as he does. So there is not a point where you will feel that he is trying to take over. In fact, there have been so many instances in the film wherein I find that he is done something, and I come up to the other co-actor and I say, "Oh, that's very nice. What you've done." And he says, "No, it wasn't me. It was Manoj sir." Or if I go to Manoj and said, "Manoj, this was really nice what you did," and he says, "Oh, it wasn't me. It was him." So he is very
Wow.
generous. He ensures that everybody works together as a team, and which is why on the set we have such a fabulous rapport between the actors.
Yeah,
True,
And
really,
true,
really.
yeah, and it is very important that the person who helms it in terms of performance is the one who is being generous,
true, true.
because
It's
that is
true.
what binds everyone.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Manoj sir, बताइए also, 25 years, has your process changed? Because you categorically said मैं villain का role नहीं करूँगा commercial space में. A lot of your colleagues are also saying आजकल content driven cinema के नाम पे बहुत fraud चल रहा है. What is your takeaway? And you have this thing of picking up stuff that you believe in. How does that happen? मैंने 3 सवाल एक सवाल में पूछ लिया आपसे.
Yeah, you are instigating me. First of all,
Not
the
instigating.
commercial
This is a
cinema में
conversation.
villain
It's always good to learn from you.
नहीं, कमर्शियल सिनेमा में विलन का रोल नहीं करूंगा, ये मुझे ना बहुत ज्यादा जोर जोर से बोलना पड़ता था in the initial years of mine, Arjun, because
Yeah.
all they could think of a theater actor like me
Yeah.
was give him a villain's role, in a superstar's film,
Yeah.
because superstar films needed a very what do you call a
Talented
very big
supporters.
actor.
And
Uh,
antagonists, yeah.
yes, it took me long to really establish myself after having offended to so many people those days.
My first car, it has delayed me a bank balance. After Satya, Shul, Con, all of these success, I had to wait for the next work. Sitting at home those days.
So now
Uh,
coming on to Silence, what was your reason to come on board? Because your character seems very gritty and extremely
There were two, three things, very basic things. I've never been part of who done it kind of a thriller. And Aban has been a friend since a long time, and she's narrated this script to me, and I found it quite engaging. And I thought that this is one hell of a good film in this genre to really initiate your journey into this kind of a genre, and just go and have fun with this murder mystery thriller. So the whole reason of doing this film was very basic. I just wanted to have fun with this genre that I've never been part of.
Sure.
and also wanted to see how you actually deal with these kind of directors in this kind of a setup.
Even I found myself now and then, when I would go to Aban and ask her a question, and I often found myself saying, okay, I see what Ravi is doing, but what do we want the audience to think at this point? And that was so, yeah, just to supplement what he was saying, that's very true, that you have to constantly think
Yeah,
like, wait, what are we trying, where are we trying to lead the
yeah,
audience at this point?
Yeah, you can't give any wrong reactions.
Yeah.
yeah.
Because
And Arjun, I was reading Mohanlal's interview about Drishyam. So he
Mhm.
said the same. He said the same thing. He was talking about the same thing, that as an actor, you
Yeah.
have to perform it in such a way that even if the audience watch it second
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
they should understand what I have done and why I'm not trying to
yes,
fool at the same
yes,
time.
Yeah.
yes,
But the but
Correct.
very
the
true.
but the
Correct.
but the expressions were just right. It's just that I
Correct.
didn't give it away. So
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
craft, it really tests your craft and skill at the same
Yeah. It's so true. So
time.
true.
Very true. Very true.
Anyways, lastly, before we wrap up, just want to ask you what is your take on censorship on OTT? Manoj sir and Arjun, do you have any take on this, since we are getting offended with everything that we see nowadays?
I think we
Anna,
have the same take. Let Manoj sir do the needful.
Okay,
Manoj sir,
it's a huge cut. It's a huge country. People getting offended is something which is not new. It's just that now we are getting offended too often. Okay, and
And over
our
anything.
belief system has become so weak. Yeah, our belief system has become so weak that uh, a, 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 a very fragile and very soft creative work can actually shake us up. I find it very hard to believe it. I'm a I'm I'm a uh, I'm a man who is a believer. But so many people I meet up with, so many people who don't believe in gods, they are atheists. So many people don't believe in many things that I do or I have faith in.
Well, yeah. I mean, I'm not someone who believes in censorship of any kind. I don't think anyone should be telling us what to watch, what to wear, what to eat, what to consume, what to make, what to create. I believe in certification and a warning system, and to give people the freedom to decide for themselves, and not at all in agreement of what's happening. And let's hope we as artists just together keep trying to put out what we have to put out, and we just have to keep doing what we do. Uska kya hoga hamare haath mein nahi hai, but we have to
Right.
just keep at it.
let's not be silent about these things,
Yeah.
but we watch silence. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And many, many congratulations again, Manoj sir.
Thank you. Thank you
Bye,
very much.
Pooja.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank